For most of us, after we leave school, the options we have if we want to earn a living are either to start a business as an entrepreneur or build a career in a job. Now that is unless you are a trust fund baby and you can just afford to exist without lifting a finger, but that's not what we're talking about. Now traditionally, some of the most high-paying jobs have come from the finance or technology industries. As my fellow YouTuber Martin Zimmern creatively put it, in recent times, the industries of finance and technology came together and had a baby, and fintech was born. I put out a previous video for those who have that entrepreneurial gene, and I outlined the steps to take to set up your own fintech if that's the route you want to take. So this video is for those of us who are interested in that intersection between finance and technology as a career option. I will highlight some of the highest paying jobs in the fintech industry with an estimated salary range to give you some perspective of what would fit best for you in your career goals. So let's get to it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeremy, and if you are new here and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so because on this channel I speak about agile transformation, digital strategy, and personal development. Fintech is a rapidly growing space that most students and professionals want to learn more about for the future, so it's natural that a lot of the highest paying jobs are emerging from this sector. Now, even traditional institutions such as banks, telcos, and even large tech firms are creating fintech subsidiaries to innovate and prepare them for the future. So there are lots of opportunities for a career in fintech. There are many traditional roles within the sector. However, for this video, I'm going to be focusing on some of the more emerging careers with the highest remuneration packages in the fintech space. Starting of course with number one, blockchain experts or developers. Now, ever since the huge bull wave we experienced in 2017 with cryptocurrencies, the interest in blockchain technology has been soaring. Blockchain has so many different use cases outside of cryptocurrencies and in the fields of finance and technology that there has become an incredible demand for people with expertise in that field. Because blockchain is an emerging technology, there really aren't enough qualified blockchain experts or developers around for hire. Now, as you know, when there's a high demand with limited supply, that gap leads to higher offer prices for the few experts available. Now, blockchain jobs are ranging between $150,000 per year to $250,000 per year as of now. According to Hired.com, which is a popular job search platform, there has been a 517% increase in the demand for software engineers who have knowledge or expertise in blockchain development in the past year. They also rank blockchain development skills as among the top 3 fastest growing, high paid, and in-demand jobs in the fintech sector. So if you needed some motivation to start acquiring skills in blockchain, there you have it. Next, we have cybersecurity experts or analysts. Now, as technology evolves and financial transactions become increasingly digitized, online thieves and hackers also follow that digital and electronic money trail. Now, financial services have been a major target for cyber hacking, and according to IBM's X-Force research team, the financial services industry has been attacked more than any industry since 2016. There's also what is known as the cybersecurity poverty line. Now, this basically is a separation between entities and institutions that possess the resources and knowledge to carry out cybersecurity and combat cyber threats. Now, in Africa, for example, research has found that 90% of African businesses fall below that cybersecurity poverty line, and even as far back in 2017, the amount that was lost to cybercrime was close to about $3.5 billion. Now, these stats are evidence of the cybersecurity skills gap that exists, which is why cybersecurity experts are in such high demand, especially in fintech. Now, their salaries range between $100,000 to $150,000 per year, but depending on your level of experience and your level of certification within the field. Next, we have data specialists and quantitative analysts. In the information age where absurd amounts of data are generated every nanosecond, data specialists and quantitative analysts are considered information age superheroes. Now, just like any superhero, highly skilled and experienced data scientists and quants are tough to find. As businesses and customers become increasingly empowered by the internet and digital technologies, institutions such as fintechs want to be more proactive and give the customers more tailored services to meet their needs. Now, data scientists who can sift through the raw data and provide actionable insights become an invaluable piece to achieving this goal. Now, quantitative analysts also in turn produce complex data-driven financial models and algorithms that can sort through the massive amounts of data and automate them for seamless operations. Now, the salary range for quants and data specialists averagely hovers between $150,000 per year to $250,000. However, the Wall Street Journal has indicated that these skills are in such high demand that their compensation packages on Wall Street can be as high as $500,000 per year. Now, $500,000 is definitely worth the hassle of acquiring the data specialization and quantitative analyst skills, if you ask me. Next, we have product owners and project managers. The fintech industry is in the business of rapidly developing products and services for delivery to the market to meet the consumer's needs. Now, even though the roles of product manager and project manager are traditionally different, these roles tend to overlap in the fintech industry. The product owner or manager is now regularly needed to handle the entire product development lifecycle. They help initiate designs, plan and execute new initiatives, as well as working with internal and external stakeholders to maintain the quality of products that have been delivered after they've gone live. Now, these individuals are required to have a combination of highly technical and soft skills in order to be effective in their jobs. The requirements are usually for experience as a technical product manager, having Agile and Scrum certifications, as well as project management experience and knowledge. Now, the average salary for this role is usually around $133,000 per year. Finally, we have application developers. Most fintech solutions are offered as mobile applications. Mobile app downloads and consumer spending have been hitting record levels, and this creates a high demand for individuals with expertise in application development. Now, in the fintech startup space, you typically hear the term or the title full stack developer being thrown around often. A full stack developer is simply someone with the technical know-how to combine the front-end technologies that create the beautiful interfaces for that perfect user experience with the back-end applications, databases, and servers to form the backbone of any project. Fintech apps are seeing a spectacular growth from the last few years since there are now so many tech-savvy millennial consumers. And for this reason, there's a booming market that needs serving, which positions app developers as highly demanded to fill this need in the fintech sector. So if you do opt for a career in fintech as an app developer, the average salary range that you should expect is within the realm of $131,000 per year. So friends, there you have it. Those are some of the highest paying jobs in the fintech industry for those of you who might be thinking of pursuing a career in fintech. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, remember to hit the like button and drop me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.